The AvePoint Cloud Governance MyHub Teams app allows your business users to manage their cloud governance tasks, as well as submit and manage all of their service requests directly in Microsoft Teams. To ensure that users can use the MyHub app, as an administrator, log into Office 365 and then go into the Admin Center. In the Admin Center over on the left, click Show All, and then scroll down and locate and click on Teams. In the Teams Admin Center, over on the left, locate and click Teams Apps, and then click Permission Policies. Under Permission Policies, out towards the far right, click Org-Wide App Settings, and ensure that you are allowing third-party apps. Also ensure that you are allowing any new third-party apps published to the store by default. If these are not set to on, users who are trying to add the MyHub app will not be able to find it. In addition to that, still under App Permission Policies, if you are creating or have created a custom permission policy, make sure that under third-party apps, if you have set it to allow specific apps and block all others, that you go in and allow the MyHub app. To do that, we click Allow Apps, and then we simply search for MyHub. Select it and click Add. Again, this is only if you are creating a custom permission policy. With those settings in place, your business users will now be able to go into Teams, either through the web client or the desktop client, and over on the left, they can click the ... and as you just did in Admin Center, they can search for MyHub. Once they select it, they will be able to click Add, and the app will be installed for them, which they will then be able to access over on the left-hand side. If you would prefer the app to simply show up over here on the left-hand side for all of your business users, you can do that too as an administrator. If I go back into the Teams Admin Center, and again under Teams Apps, this time we click on Setup Policies. In App Setup Policies, if you click Global Org-Wide Default, this is where you'll be able to find what is pinned on the left-hand side of Teams. To add MyHub, we click Add Apps, we search for MyHub, click on it, and then click Add. MyHub will now display towards the bottom of that list. You can also, while you're in here, select MyHub and move it up or down within the structure. If I do that, once again, I will have to click Save. And that's it. Now please note, it may take some time for these changes to actually appear within Teams. So if I was to now go over into Microsoft Teams, there is a chance that it will not show up. And we can see that it is still not there. So please note, if you followed those instructions, you did everything correctly. It just takes some time for that policy to update. Once it does, your business users will see MyHub over here on the left-hand side mixed in with the other items that are pinned in Teams. So as a quick review, users can add it themselves by searching for MyHub, clicking on it, and then clicking Add. Or as an administrator, if I want to pin it on the left-hand side, I can do that by going into Office 365 Admin Center, into Teams Admin, and updating the setup policy. Thanks for watching this short video on a couple of different ways to add MyHub to Microsoft Teams.